Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am at the office today. I've got the printer back here, but it's not going yet. I got my tower there, but I'm using the microphone, so hopefully it's going to work good. But I have this crossword puzzle book that I have gotten. It's not for me, I can see fine, but it is the large print one. So I want to show you guys kind of how these things are. You can kind of see this one here is by Epic Brainiac, large print. But if you look at it, it actually is pretty large print, and it's very easy to read. Very big square, so it's definitely a lot bigger than those ones you get in the newspaper or anything like that. But so if you're looking for somebody to get a large print crossword puzzle for, and you needed some assistance on which one's a good one to get, I would say this one here. The words actually are pretty decent size. I mean, I don't know, it's hard to see on a video, but there you go. You can see they're printed, yeah, normal, not super huge. This isn't going to be for somebody who's completely blind, but some of these ones are pretty big with lots of words. Yeah, so let me see. 4 across would be, I don't know, yell. I don't know what the different words are. I'm not great at crossword puzzles. Not my biggest fan, but there's a bunch of them. Oh, they even have all the solutions for them back down here. So that's pretty cool too. So there you go. So this is the large print crossword puzzle book for adults and seniors. I guess anybody could do it, though. I don't know if there's really much of a restriction of ages, but there you go. That's what it looks like. So thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to this in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.